Welcome to Pulling Money Trading. Okay. Alright, so today is May 5th, 2025. Alright, so I'm on Euro USD 1 minute time frame. Okay. I'm gonna set our lot size to 0.01. Right, because we're not risking too much. Anyway, so check our account balance. We're now at $22.21. Okay, so in our last video, we were down about $6, right? So we had some winners over the weekend. All right, so let me explain those winners to you. Let me show you the trade history. Okay, show you the trade history. So this trade right here, 5th of the second, right? Won $10 for this trade, right? 2nd of the 5th, won another sell trade, won another $10, $22. Oh, let me see. Yeah, I'm trying to see if this account is the right account or if it's a different account. Alright. Should be the right account.
Incoming mail.
Okay, no, this is the account. Right, so we're at $18.33. $18.33. Right, so we had a couple winning trade over the weekend. Right, so let me go on trading view to explain those winners. So we had a trade open Friday before we close out the video, right? So that trade won. So we had two nice winners over the weekend. Let me show you. So for this one, cash out a profit of $1.21. We should have made $5 on this trade, but because of the market condition, I decided to cash it out because I didn't like how the market condition look. This one, as you can see, a profit of $5.06. Right, let me go over to trading view and explain those trades. So for the trade that we have over the weekend, right? This area right here, we had a trade marked, which was a sell trade. Right? If you watch the other video, should have profited 500, right? Which we did at entry price 1.13810, right? Profit 1.13310. Okay. Now Friday we had to take the trade manually because the market came up, right? And before our order could be filled, right, the market was turning, so we had to take a manual trade right here, pushing the market all the way down to here, right? Let's measure the amount of pip the market went. So let me put a line right here. So this is our entry. This is where the market went to this black line. So the market went down 874 pip and we took 500 pip. Okay. So this is a trade setup, right? As you can see right here in this area, buyers push the market up, right? Sellers break below this area, right here, intersecting buyers. So sellers was in control of the market from here all the way up to here, right? So because sellers was in control of the market, creating a structure, strong bear candle drop in, so we decided that we're going to take a sell trade. Now when we went on the daily time frame, right? When we went on the daily time frame, when we looked at the daily time frame was also confirming our trade, right? Sellers in control, strong sell structure, right? Right here, strong sell structure, right? So this was also confirming the trade because sellers had a strong bear candle on the daily time frame. Okay, so went back to the 1 minute, right? So that was a sell trade. Go back to MetaTrader 5, right? So that was this trade right here. We profit $5.06. Now this trade for the $1.21. Let me explain. Right, so it's this trade right here where the market came. So basically we caught the swing, we caught the sell, and we had a buy trade right here waiting when the market came down. Same principle apply, right? Sellers was in control of the market right here, right at that black line right there. Sellers was in control, right? Buyers intersected sellers, pushing the market all the way up to here, right, all the way up to here, right? So if our theory is right, buyer should be in control of the market, right, from this era down here all the way up to this era, right? So in this era right here, we decided to take a buy trade because buyers have a market structure right here, strong bear candle above this structure right here. So we decided to take a buy. So if our theory was right, buyer should be in control, pushing the market up. So look at it, right? We should have profited 500 pip. This is the trade, entry point 1.12, 930, risking 40 pip to make 500 pip, right? So because of the market condition, this is where the market went. So the market came back right here, right on our entry right here, came back, and this is where the market went. This black line right here. This red line right here is where the market went, right? So check how much pip the market went up. 648 pip, right? 148 pip more than our TP. So these trades that we are actually taking, they're actually pushing the market far, right? Now let's see if we can find any opportunity, right? So what we're doing, we're seeking opportunities that can give us at least 500 pip in the market. How we gonna do that, right? Look where the market was coming from, which is this point right here on the chart. Let's clean this up. This price point on the chart right here, this red line right here, we're at a trade, right? We already have a limit order waiting right here. This was the highest point, right? Now, this is where market is currently moving up, right? This is where market price is right now, moving up, okay? So it seems as if buyers are going to challenge this here right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look above this area where I already have a trade waiting right here. So what I'm going to do is look above this area to see if there's any other area where sellers was in control of the market, creating strong structure, where in the event buyers are able to push the market through this area, if there's another area above this area where price sellers are likely to step in the market again, pushing the market down, right? So this is clear right here. Let me see. This is clear right here. Is a structure. Let me see. These two areas right here are areas of concern, right? A sell structure, bear candle dropping out of the area, right? Let's put our line. So what we're doing, we're using the known to find the unknown. Okay. Sellers are in control of this area because as you can see, the market break below. The market break below this structure. Let me show you. Right. Buyers push the market up from this point, from this price point to this price point. Sellers was able to sell the market down from here, right, all the way down, intersecting buyers breaking through, causing an intersection right here, right here. So because sellers was able to intersect buyers at this price point right here, is an indication that from here to here, sellers are in control of the market, right? So as you can see, market came back up to this area, sell down, right? Went all the way down to here, right? Came back up to here, creating structure, right? Until it went all the way down, okay? So if sellers are still in this area, right? Let's clean the chart up. Just showing you how I am quantifying these areas. If sellers are still in this area, when the market come back around, right? When the market come back around, you should be able to take the market down again if sellers are still in this area, right? Right here. Risking 31 pip to make 500 pip, right? So want to maximize on these trades, right? And this little area right here as well. Not the best era, but this era is a era where sellers was in control. So want to scale into this era if this era is indeed, let's see, if this era, if sellers are still lurking around in this era, want to scale into this era, because if buyers are able to push the market above here, they might not be able to push the market through here, right? And here is a cheaper price than here, so chances are if the big institution, the hedge fund and the banks are in this era, because they are the ones who move the market, they are the ones who create these big moves in the market, right? So we're actually trading with the banks, right? All these big moves in the market, they are created by banks and the hedge fund, right? Retail traders can't move the market this big. So we're actually trading with the banks and the hedge fund. Okay, so let me see. Right, so I want to put in these trades before the market come back. 500, risking 50 pip to make 500. Right, if we lose 50 pip, that's 50 cents. And if we win $5. So we're risking one, that's more than 1 to 5, that's about 1 to 10. Right, about 1 to 10. So that's a good risk to reward. So that give us a cushion, right? That give us a good cushion, right? And this can move our account quickly. So we're going to copy, go to MetaTrader 5, right? New order, market execution, pending order, sell limit, volume 0.01. We're not risking too much. Sell limit, PS, go back to trading view, stop loss, copy, MetaTrader 5, put in our stop loss, PS, place trade. Okay, because the market is close. So I want to have the trades running, right? So go back to trading view again, right? And we're going to set this one. We can always go back and put in the TP, copy, new order, market execution, pending order, sell limit, So we're using limit order in the event we are not trading live. Market will execute these orders. So even while we're sleeping, we can be making our money. Right? Even while we sleep, we can be making our money. So it makes sense to use limit order. Right? Stop loss, place, place trade. Okay. Excuse. All right. So go back to trading view again. Profit. Copy. This is the order right here. It should be this one. 13,997. 13,947. Right. So we set the TP. Take profit. Modify. So go to the other one. This one. Take profit. Modify. Okay. Go back to trading view. So we want to go above this area. Right. Look above this area to see if there's any area where sellers was in control of the market. Right. I'm not seeing nothing too interesting here. Right. This area. Not seeing anything too great right here. Let's go higher. I'm not seeing anything alarming. Right. Alright, so on the sell side, I'm not seeing anything too alarming that I'm interested in. Right, other than these two here also. Let's see what price is doing. So this is where price is currently. This is where price is. Basically here, right here, might be able to get a short-term trade from this here right here. Sellers was in control of this here, breaking through, intersecting. Sellers are in control from here all the way up to here. So basically here is a structure where sellers may still be in this area waiting. Let's see where the closest buy structure is. Wow, market is coming through, coming up fast. So want to get this trade, have to set it now. Can't even set it, have to set the order right now. This is where price is. So if you want this trade, let me see, I have to put it on now, copy. Sell limit. Stop loss. Copy. Yes. Place. Alright, so we can always go back and set the take profit. Alright, so let's see the opposing level. Right, so this here right here seem to be the opposing era. Buyers break above this little area right here. Buyers are in control from pretty much here all the way up. So if this era is going to work, we're going to have a profitability from here to maybe here if the market is gonna go higher, or here, right? Might have a profitability from here to maybe here or somewhere down here. Yeah, this one. This is not gonna work, so we'll have to take a profit of maybe here. Here. about 1 to 3 or a bit over. 1 to 4 are here risking 33 pip to make $1.55. Copy. Buy limit, new order. Buy limit, place, stop. Market is coming down fast, so copy. Yes, okay. Now I'm set profit, copy. Yeah, so for the buy, set to take profit, place, back to trading view. For the sell limit that we already have, we want to come out in profit probably around here. Same place where we take the buy, we look to exit. Maybe around here. Right, so a small trade if it work out. Risking 54 pip to make 155, 160. Right, 1 to 3. So to take profit right here. Right, so this would take us right into our buy trade. Right here into our buy trade. Right, so we're moving from sell to buy and buy to sell. Right, so set our take profit. Alright, so alright, so the market is coming down to this area, but for some reason we are not getting fill. Excuse, so the market came down but not getting fill at the moment, so let's wait and see if our order will be filled. Market is coming down, so let's see if we will get fill on this order. basically here, right here, turn the market. Let's see if we will get fill. See what will happen. Still waiting. Still waiting to see what is going to happen. So in the meantime, we're going to seek out more opportunity. All right. So market came up all the way from this era. We have our buy trade, last winning buy trade. So let's retrace and see areas where sellers are in control of the market. Right. So sellers are in control of the market right in this area right here. Right here. Buyers, excuse me, are in control of the market right in this area. Right here. Chances are, if more buyers are still in this area, when the market come back, might be able to make another push up. Yeah, risking about 45 pips. About 45 pips. Make 100 pips. To make 500 pips, let's see. Can get 500 pips up all the way up to here. All the way up to here where the market came from. All the way up to here. Let's see if we have 500 pips. Yes, 502. 500. Okay. Right, so market will always move from key sell here to key buy here. That's how the market work. So if the big move came from here where banks push the price all the way down to here, right, always zoom out your chart to get the market information. So this is where the market was coming from all the way up to this here, which is a daily. You go on the daily time frame, it is a daily here, sell here, right? This is the era where we're actually in that daily sell era. So if more sellers are here, right? If more sellers are here, how the market work, the banks, oh wow, Market came back, top order. Look, let's see if we got fill. No, didn't get fill. Oh wow. Market didn't fill our order. I was moving in our direction. Look at that. This is our order right here. Market is showing us that market came close. Didn't fill our order. Got that. Right. And this chart, it is showing that the market touch. But on the MetaTrader 5 chart, it's showing that market didn't touch. So there's a bit of price difference across from trading view to MetaTrader 5. Right, look at that. Going in our direction. It didn't get filled. Anyway, that's a part of trading. So let's set this trade. Let's set this trade and continue to seek out opportunities. Right, so entry, copy, new order. So we missed this trade, we didn't get fill. Pending order, buy limit, paste, stop loss, copy, excuse me, paste, take profit, paste. Look at that big move. So we missed this trade, our order wasn't filled. Yes, so market came back close to our order. It didn't get filled. Right. Excuse. It didn't get filled. So right now there's nothing we can do because we wasn't paying attention in order to take the trade manually. That's the thing with limit order. When you use limit order sometime, the broker have to fill the order. And if it's a era where a lot of buyers want to buy into the market, chances are you might not get filled. That is what happened. Order wasn't filled. So market is moving up. Let's see if the market will come back. Right. So in the meantime, still going up. So in the meantime, I'm going to see if I can find other areas where buyers was in control. Alright. This is the area right here. Look like a area where buyers may be in this area, but The market was able to come back. I'm not really too interested. Excuse. Buyers might still be here, but see how much risk. $37 pip. Right. Market went all the way up to here. All the way up to here. So we have a profit of 422 pip. Let's see. And this year was the highest point. Buyers was able to take the market. Buyers was able to take the market all the way up to this era. So if buyers are gonna take the market up again, they are going to go back to this era to challenge sellers at this era. So should be able to get a profitability of about 500 pip from this era. We don't want more than 500 pip. Leave the rest. Right, so buyers was able to take the market all the way up to this era. Right, from this era all the way up to this era, sellers take the market down to this era. So it's always a war between buyers and sellers, challenging era to era to era. So banks are gonna want to take the price back up to this era if they still have orders in this era. Right, they're gonna want to take the market all the way up here to fill those orders and then taking the price back down in this era. If there are more orders they have, and they're gonna do it over and over again all day, every week. You have to just find the areas where they are moving the market from, the major areas where they are moving the market to and from. This trade would have been a winner, but see, market came back, market went up. Right, it would have been a winner, but it didn't get filled. So you can't cry over spilled milk, right? So we have a sell, opposing sell trade right here. Let's see if this era will take the market back down into our era where we can get filled from. Let's see what will happen. Right. Let's see if sellers can take the market back down from here back into this era, fill us. Right, or not. This is a little here. I've got here right here where buyers might be lurking in this era. Right, you have to know. Right, break above this era. Structure right here. Strong bull candles going up in the air. Right. Strong bull candles going up in the air. So buyers might be around in this era right here. But let's see. So with this era right here, there's not significant profit to the upside. Right, so let's see how much profit we can get from here to our sell trade that we have up top. market might go through and go further up, right? But we don't know. We have to use the known to find the unknown, right? 33 to 99 might be able to get a 1 to 3, but I don't like taking trades where I can't get more than a dollar profit, right? I want to risk cents to make dollars. So I'm not going to take this trade because I'm not seeing to this era where sellers have a strong sell candle coming down, right? Market might go through, I don't know, until the market go through. The profitability right here is to this era right here. We have a sell trade. So I'm not gonna look to take this buy because I'm not able to get more than a dollar profit, 99 cents, right? Let's see. So the $1 would take us immediately into this era. Let's see if it will work. Should be able to get a dollar. Let's see. Copy. New order. Ending order. Buy limit. Paste. Stop loss. Paste. Take profit. Have to do it quick because the market is close. Okay. All right. So order is right here. Market is coming down. So order is right here waiting. Let's see. Let's see if we can get fill on this one. All right. Let's see if we can get fill. See if we can get fill. Market is still coming down. Waiting patiently. So in the meantime, while we wait, let's see if we can find other opportunities. So buyers took the market all the way from this era, all the way up to this era. So let's see if there's eras where buyers was in control. The era right here. Essentially, era right here seem to be a year of concern. Right here. Buyers was in control, pushing the market up. Strong bull candle, creating a structure right here. So chances are, if the market come back, more buyers will be waiting around right here. Right, so let's see. Risking 27 pip, make 500. Alright, we have a profitability of 500 pip because market went all the way up to here, which is more than 500 pip. So if the market is gonna come back and go back up, we should be able to get more than 500 pip move. Right, so see, small risk, small amount to make large amount. Profit, stop. Okay, look at that, market went up. Order is triggered. Market is pushing aggressively to the upside. But miss out on this trade all the way. Go back to trading view. So the market is going up at the moment. This order is triggered. Right, this order right here is triggered. So let's see. Buyers are pushing up. Strong push to the upside by buyers. Right, so this order right here is triggered. We didn't get fill on this one or this one. This would have been a winning trade. So we would have won $1.55, but we didn't get fill. Right. Sellers are rejecting buyers at the moment. Let's go back to MetaTrader 5. Oh, big drop by sellers. Big push to the downside by sellers. Look at that. Buyers and sellers at it. Right. So sellers are rejecting buyers at the moment. Let's see if the sellers can take the price all the way down to our orders right here, or if buyers are gonna blow through and go all the way back up to the top. So war is on between sellers and buyers at the moment. Sellers are rejecting buyers. Right, sellers are rejecting. Let's see if sellers can hold out or if buyers are gonna send them home packing. Buyers and sellers at it. War waging. Right. Buyers seem to be supporting at the moment. Right. Sellers are resisting. Buyers are supporting. Let's see if move to the downside by the sellers. Buyers are supporting, holding firm. Buyers are holding firm. Let's see if sellers can drive the price down, or if buyers are gonna push through, take the price all the way up. Not a push to the downside by sellers. Buyers are supporting. Sellers are trying to fight them off. Right? Buyers are holding out. Right? Push to the downside by sellers. Let's see if buyers can find an answer. Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting buyers at the moment. Right? Buyers are supporting. Sellers are resisting. Let's see who will win. Buyers now making another push to the upside. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. War between buyers and sellers. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. So we are in profit. 16 cents in profit. Right? Sellers and buyers at it. Who will win? Sellers making another push to the downside. Right? Buyers are trying to hold them out, holding on. Sellers making a move. Let's see if they can take it home for us. Sellers making a move to the downside. Buyers are supporting still. Let's see if buyers can find an answer. Oh, sellers and buyers at it. Right. Buyers are supporting, sellers are resisting. Right. Sellers trying to make a push to the downside. Buyers will have none of it. Sellers taking it down a bit further. Sellers with a next push to the downside. Buyers are holding out. Sellers are pushing down. 41 cent in profit. Buyers holding out. Sellers are trying to make a push to the downside. Buyers fending them off. War of the world between buyers and sellers. Buyers are supporting, sellers are resisting. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing who will win. Sellers taking it down a notch. The buyers, sellers pushing down on the buyers. Let's see if buyers can find an answer or sellers will take it home. Sellers again making a next push to the downside. Let's see if buyers can find an answer. The sellers taking it down a notch, pushing down aggressively. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Buyers seem to be holding out at the moment. Buyers now making a push to the upside. Sellers trying to resist. Let's see, what is this? Sellers pushing down again. Buyers holding out. Let's see if buyers can hold out or sellers will take it home. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Who will win? Who will win? Buyers and sellers at it. Right. Buyers supporting strong. Sellers still pushing them down. Who will win? Who will win? 57 cent in profit. Sellers still bearing down on buyers. Right, let's see if sellers can take it deep enough in order to give us a little change in profit. Our buyers seem to be holding them out. Buyers trying to make a comeback. Let's see who will win. Buyers now pushing aggressively to the upside. Buyers pushing aggressively to the upside. Let's see if sellers can fend off this wave of attack by the buyers or if buyers gonna drive it all the way home now. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Buyers and sellers at it. Buyers now making a big move to the upside. Big move to the upside by buyers. Seem as if sellers are exhausted. Sellers can't take it down any further. Buyers now coming back with a big push to the upside. To the upside by buyers. Right. Buyers making a big push to the upside. Let's see if sellers can find an answer. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Who will win? Buyers with a big run to the upside. Right, fending off that wave of attack by the sellers. Right, let's see if sellers can drive it down some more, taking us further in profit. Buyers now stepping up the attack. Buyers ramping up the attack on sellers. Right, sellers trying to find an answer. Let's see if sellers can find an answer or if buyers are gonna ramp up the attack once more. Buyers pushing up aggressively. Right, we're in a buy market, so buyers pushing up aggressively. Right, let's see who will win. Oh wow, sellers trying to resist. Sellers trying to resist. Right, let's see if sellers can make a deep enough pullback, take us into our buy trades, bringing us in profit. Right, who will win? Nobody knows. Buyers are ramping up the attack once more, taking it to the sellers. Right, sellers with a deep pullback, but let's see if they can pull back even further. Doesn't seem as if sellers can pull back any further. Buyers now taking it to the sellers. Strong force by the buyers taking it to the sellers. Right? Buyers taking it to the sellers at this time. Right? Buyers creating structure, taking it to the sellers. Right? So let's see how this trade is gonna play out. Who will win? Right? Buyers responding strongly. Let's see if sellers can find any answer. Buyers and sellers at the moment, war between buyers and sellers. Sellers trying to make a comeback, big push to the downside by sellers. Sellers making a comeback, let's see. Big push to the downside, sellers are making a comeback. Big drop. Sellers are making a comeback, let's see who will win. Buyers are supporting still. Who will win? 32 cents in profit. Sellers with a big push to the downside. Sellers with a big drop. Let's see if buyers can find an answer. Buyers are supporting at the moment. Buyers are supporting. Who will win? Oh, wow, sellers. Big bear candle. Sellers making a next push to the downside. Let's see if they can take it home for us. Buyers trying to respond. Buyers trying to respond right now. Let's see if they have an answer. Buyers trying to respond. Oh, wow. 43 cents in profit. Who will win? Nobody knows. Buyers making a big step. Making a comeback to fight off this wave of attack by the sellers. Sellers now with a next push. Big push by the sellers. Big drop. Big drop by the sellers. Let's see if sellers can take it down for us. Big drop. Let's see if buyers find any answer. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Buyers supporting strong. Sellers and buyers at it. War between buyers and sellers. Buyers trying to make a comeback now. Buyers making a comeback. Let's see if they can make a comeback or if sellers are gonna take it deeper. Who will win? Buyers and sellers neck to neck. Neck to neck at it. Buyers are making a comeback. Let's see if sellers can hold them out and take it deeper. Or if buyers are going to push through. Buyers are making a comeback at the moment. Sellers are resisting. Buyers again with a next push. Sellers are holding out. Sellers are holding out. Sellers are holding out. Buyers again with a next push. Sellers are holding them. Sellers are holding them hostage. War between buyers and sellers. Oh wow, big push by buyers. Big move by buyers. Let's see if sellers have any answer. Big move by buyers to the upside. Let's see if sellers have any answer for this. Oh no, it seems as if sellers can't find an answer. Oh wow, another big push. Sellers are holding them. Sellers again to the downside. Oh wow, big push by sellers now. To the downside, who will win? It's exciting stuff going on with buyers and sellers. Buyers again. Buyers again. Sellers holding them. War between buyers and sellers. Sellers again to the downside. Oh wow, big move to the downside by sellers. Buyers are holding them. Buyers are holding out the sellers. Oh oh, who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Buyers and sellers at it for this one. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Oh wow, indecision candle. Let's see which way this is going to go. Buyers are trying to make a move. Buyers are making a move to the upside. Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting buyers at the moment. Buyers are trying to make a push. But sellers are holding them. Oh wow, not a big push to the upside by buyers. Not a push to the upside. Who will win? Who will win? Buyers are making their move. Not a one. Not a push. Sellers are resisting buyers. Oh, wow, big move up to the upside by buyers. Big push to the upside by buyers. Sellers are trying to hold them out. Buyers are making their move. Sellers are resisting. Big push again by the buyers. Big push by the buyers. We're in a buy market, so chances are buyers are going to take this one, but let's see if sellers can make a deep enough pullback. Oh, wow, buyers making their move. Sellers are holding them out. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Sellers are trying to hold out the buyers. Sellers making a big dip. Sellers making a dip. Let's see if they can break below. Buyers again with a comeback. Buyers with a comeback at it. Sellers and buyers at it. Neck and neck. Shoulder to shoulder. Oh, wow. Sellers with a big drop. Buyers and sellers shoulder to shoulder. Neck and neck. Buyers are holding them out now. Buyers are trying to hold them out. Oh, wow. Buyers hold them out and making a next move to the upside. Sellers again trying to fight them off. Will sellers fight off the buyers or will buyers take it home? Buyers again with a next rejection. Buyers rejecting sellers. Buyers rejecting sellers at the moment. Oh, wow, who will win? Market closed with a sell candle. Buyers trying to come back in this fight. Fight for life. Who will win? Buyers and sellers at it. Buyers and sellers at it. Let's see. Let's see if sellers can make a deep enough pullback. Buyers making a push to the upside again. Buyers with a next push. Next push to the upside by buyers. Next push. Will buyers take it home or will sellers make a deep pullback? Sellers trying to hold them out. Sellers trying to hold them out now. Sellers trying to hold out the buyers. Let's see if sellers can hold them off. Oh no, buyers making a comeback again. Buyers with a big comeback. Buyers with a big comeback. Making a push. Sellers are trying to hold them. Buyers seem to be too aggressive. Too strong for the sellers. Sellers can't seem to shake them. Buyers now with a next big push to the upside. Sellers can't shake the buyers. Buyers with a push to the upside. Buyers making their move. Buyers making their move aggressively to the upside. Sellers can't seem to fend them off. Oh wow. Oh wow. Buyers and sellers at it. Buyers and sellers at it. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Who will win? Buyers and sellers at it. Buyers are making a next move. Buyers making a next move. Sellers now trying to find an answer. Sellers trying to respond positively. Let's see if they can. Or if buyers will send them home packing. Who will win? Sellers making a dip. Sellers making a dip. Let's see who will win. Oh wow, sellers with a next big drop. Sellers with a next big drop. Oh wow, let's see if sellers can make a deep enough pullback. Or if buyers can come back. Can buyers come back? Let's see. Who will win? Sellers making their move now. Can buyers come back? Sellers making their move. Sellers making their move. Can buyers come back? Sellers making their move. Oh wow, buyers are coming back. Yes, buyers are coming back. Buyers with a push to the upside. Sellers are holding them. Buyers with a next push. Sellers seem to be holding them out. Buyers with a next push to the upside. Sellers are holding them hostage. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows. Sellers trying to make a next move. Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Who will win? Sellers with a big drop to the downside. Buyers trying to find an answer. Buyers trying to find an answer. Let's see. Let's see if buyers can find an answer. If sellers will take it all the way. Buyers trying to make a comeback. Buyers making a next push. Buyers with a next push. Buyers with another push to the upside. Sellers are trying to fight them off. Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting buyers at the moment. Sellers are resisting. Oh wow, sellers with a big dip. Sellers with a dip. Oh wow, sell pressure. Sell pressure is on. Sell pressure is on. Seem like they want to take it down a bit. Sell pressure is on and the buyers can buyers find an answer. Sellers are pushing it down. Big sell pressure. Big sell pressure. Let's see if sellers can take it down. Big sell pressure on the buyers. Can buyers find an answer? Oh wow, buyers are coming back. Buyers are coming back. Buyers are coming back. Who will win? Buyers are coming back. What will sellers do? Buyers are coming back. Oh wow. Buyers and sellers. Oh wow, sellers are dropping it. Buyers are coming back. It's war between buyers and sellers. Buyers are coming back. Buyers are coming back. Can buyers come back? Wow, big buy pressure now. Buyers are coming back in full force. Big war between buyers and sellers. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Big buy pressure coming home. Coming home. Big buy pressure coming home. Let's see who will win. Buyers are coming back with strong pressure. Oh, wow, big buy pressure coming in. Big buy pressure coming in right now. Let's see if sellers can find an answer for this big buy pressure coming in. Who will win? Sellers are stepping in again. It's neck and neck. Buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers are at it. Buyers and sellers are at it. Who will win? Sellers are coming in. Sellers are coming in at the moment. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Who will win? 41 cent in profit. Who will win? Big drop. Big sell pressure coming in again once more. Sell pressure coming in again once more. Oh wow. Sellers coming in again once more. Sellers coming in again once more. Oh wow, buyers. Buyers stepping in. Who will win? Can sellers take it or will buyers take it? Oh wow, big buy pressure coming in. Big buy pressure coming in now. Can sellers find an answer? Buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers. Who will win? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Sellers are trying to come back. Oh wow, buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping up the pressure. Buyers are stepping up the pressure. Can sellers hold them? Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting right now. Oh wow, big buy pressure. Big buy pressure coming in. Big buy pressure coming in at this time. Who will win? Nobody knows. Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Buyers are stepping in. Oh wow, not a big push. Sellers are trying to hold them. Not a push to the upside by buyers. Sellers are holding them. Can buyers make that big run? Or will sellers hold them hostage? Oh wow, buyers are trying to push. Buyers are making a move now to the upside. Buyers are making a big move to the upside. Who will win? Buyers are making their move. Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting. We are close to the New York Open. 2 minutes to the New York Open. Let's see. Sellers are still resisting buyers. Buyers are putting in the pressure. Sellers are trying to hold them out. What will happen? Oh, wow, big drop. Big drop by sellers. Big move by sellers. Who will win? Big move to the downside by sellers. Can they keep it up? Can they keep it up? Big move. Who will win? Big war between buyers and sellers going on here. Who will win? Oh, wow. Big drop. Whoa, big move by sellers. Big move. Big drop by sellers. Big move by sellers. Will buyers find any answer? Oh no. Sellers with a big drop to the downside. What will buyers do? What will buyers do? Let's see if this candle can close red. Let's see if this candle can close red. Oh wow, buyers are resisting again. Candle close red. What will buyers do? What will buyers do? Sellers again, making another push. Buyers are trying to come back. Sellers again with another move. Buyers are holding them. Buyers are resisting sellers. Buyers are resisting. Buyers are trying to come back. Buyers are resisting. Buyers now trying to come back. Buyers are trying to make a comeback after that big drop by sellers. Buyers are trying to make a comeback. Can buyers come back or will sellers take it further down? Oh wow. Oh wow, 53 cent in profit. Oh, wow. Sellers are trying to make a next big push to the downside. Sellers are trying to make a next big push. Sellers are trying to make a next big push. Who will win? Nobody knows. Oh, wow. Buyers are trying to come back. Buyers are coming back. 1 minute to the New York Open. Buyers are coming back. Let's see. Oh, wow. Buyers are coming back. Buyers are coming back. Sellers are holding them out. Oh, wow. Another move to the downside by sellers. Another move. Buyers are holding them. Buyers are holding them. Sellers are trying to take it down. Sellers are taking it down. Buyers are holding them hostage. Buyers are holding sellers hostage at this moment. Buyers are holding sellers hostage. Sellers trying to take it down. Sellers are trying to take it down. Buyers are holding them. Sellers are taking it down. Sellers are taking it down. Oh, oh. Big push to the downside by sellers. Sellers taking it down. Sellers taking it down, taking it to the buyers. Sellers again with the next big push to the downside. Who will win? Nobody knows. Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Buyers are holding them. Buyers now with a next big push to the upside. Buyers with a big push. Oh, oh, New York Open. New York Open and buyers with a big price rejection. Sellers trying to take it down. Sellers trying to take it down. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Buyers are coming back. Sellers trying to take it down and buyers coming back. Who will win? Who will win? Oh, wow. Sellers with a next big drop. Sellers with a big drop. Who will win? Sellers with a big drop. Sellers with a big drop. Let's see. Let's see if sellers can take it or if buyers will send them home packing. Oh, wow. Buyers are coming back now. Buyers are coming back again. Not a big move by sellers. Oh, wow. Sellers and buyers at it. Buyers are holding them out. Buyers are holding sellers. Oh, buyers are holding sellers. Sellers with a big drop. Oh, wow. Big move to the downside by sellers. Big move. Big move to the downside by sellers. Big move. Big move to the downside. We have another trade. Another buy trade trigger. Big move to the downside. Let's see if sellers can take it all the way down. Buyers are coming back now. Buyers are coming back now. Sellers are still at it. Sellers are at it. Sellers are at it. Sellers are at it. Sellers are at it this morning. Sellers are at it. Buyers can't seem to shake them. Sellers are putting on the pressure on buyers. Will buyers shake them or will sellers take them out? Sellers are at it. Sellers are at it. Sellers are at it. Will buyers shake the sellers or will sellers send them home back in? Buyers are holding out. Sellers are at it. Buyers are holding firm. Buyers are holding firm. Sellers are at it. Buyers are making a comeback. Buyers are making a comeback. Sellers are at it. Sellers are putting on the pressure. Buyers trying to make a comeback right now. Buyers trying to make a comeback right now. Oh, whoa, buyers are coming back. Buyers are coming back. Buyers are coming back. Let's see what sellers will do. Buyers are coming back. Buyers are coming back strong. Let's see. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Oh, whoa. Big push by buyers. Big push by buyers. Who will win? Who will win? Big move to the upside by buyers. Who will win? Nobody knows. Oh, whoa. Strong move by the buyers. Strong move by the buyers to the upside. Sellers now stepping in one more. Neck and neck. Sellers and buyers at it. Sellers again stepping in. Who will win? Who will win? Buyers and sellers at it. So we're in profit for both trade, buy and sell. Let's see which trade will come out in front. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows. Nobody knows who will win. Buyers are at it. Buyers are stepping in. Oh, whoa, big buy pressure stepping in. Big guns are stepping in now. Big guns. Big buy guns. Let's see what sellers will do. Buyers are putting on the pressure. We're in a buy market. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in from the New York Stock Exchange. Oh wow. Buyers are stepping in. Let's see. Let's see if the big guns will come in or will sellers take it. Sellers are resisting buyers. Buyers and sellers are at it. Who will win? Oh wow, more buy pressure. More buy pressure. More buy pressure coming in. More buy pressure coming in. Who will win? Strong buy pressure coming in this morning. Strong buyers coming in. Buyers taking it up. Buyers taking it up. Who will win? War between buyers and sellers. Who will win? Nobody knows. Nobody knows who will win. Who will win? Nobody knows. Sellers trying to respond. Sellers trying to respond. Will sellers respond or will buyers take it all away? Oh wow. Sellers trying to respond. Buyers putting on the pressure. Sellers trying to respond. Buyers putting on the pressure. Sellers responding. Sellers are resisting. Buyers making a next big push. Sellers are resisting buyers at the moment. Who will win? Who will win? Oh wow. Oh wow. Buyers taking over. Buyers making a next big push. Buyers with a next big push. Who will win? Oh wow. Buyers with a strong push to the upside. Buyers coming in strong. Buyers coming in strong. Sellers have no answer. Sellers are resisting buyers. Oh wow. Not a big trust. Not a big trust to the upside by buyers. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Who will win? Oh wow. Buyers seem to be stepping in. Buyers are stepping in strong. We're in profit. Which trade will come out on top? Sellers trying to respond. Who will win? Who will win? Sellers are trying to respond. Big drop by sellers. Big drop. Big drop. Can buyers respond? Big drop. Who will win? Who will win? Who will win? Sellers are taking it down. Buyers are trying to respond. Buyers are trying to respond. Buyers are trying to respond. Buyers are rejecting sellers. Oh wow. Big war. Sellers and buyers. From sellers to buyers. From buyers to sellers. Sellers are trying to resist buyers. Buyers are coming in now. Sellers again. Sellers once more. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows. Who will win? Buyers taking it up. Sellers taking it down. Big rejection by buyers and sellers. Who will win? Sellers with a big move to the downside. Sellers with a big move to the downside. Buyers trying to come back. Buyers are holding sellers. Buyers are holding sellers at the moment. Who will win? Oh wow, not a push to the downside by sellers. Not a push to the downside by sellers. Who will win? Who will win? Sellers again with a big drop. Buyers resisting. Buyers are resisting sellers at the moment. Buyers are coming back again. Sellers with a big push. Sellers with a big push. Buyers are coming back. Who will win? Who will win? Who will win? 9:30, 9 a.m. Let's see who will win. Nobody knows who will win. Sellers taking it down. Sellers taking it down. Who will win? Buyers and sellers at it. Sellers trying to put on the pressure. Buyers holding them out. Sellers trying to put on the pressure. Buyers are supporting at the moment. Buyers again stepping in once more. Buyers stepping in once more. Supporting. Sellers trying to put on the pressure. Sellers putting on the pressure. Buyers supporting. Buyers again with a push to the upside. Oh wow, buyers with a big run. Buyers with a big run to the upside. Can they keep it up or will sellers resist them? Oh wow, big push by buyers. Sellers are resisting. Wow, not a big push by buyers. Sellers resisting. Sellers are resisting. Buyers are trying to make a move. Sellers are holding them. Oh wow, not a big push. Not a big run by buyers. Big run by buyers. Big run to the upside by buyers. Can they keep it up? Oh wow. Oh wow, can they keep it up? Big run by buyers. Can they keep it up? Big move by buyers. Will buyers keep it up or will sellers send them home packing? Big run to the upside. Oh wow. Big move by buyers. Will sellers find an answer? Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting at the moment. Not a big push. Big push to the upside. Big push. Sellers are resisting. Buyers are trying to make a move. Sellers are resisting. Sellers are resisting at the moment. Sellers are resisting. Big move to the upside. Who will win? Buyers with a next big push. Buyers with another big push. Another big push to the upside by buyers. Who will win? Sellers are resisting. Buyers are making their move. Buyers are making their move to the upside. Sellers can't find an answer. Oh, wow, sellers trying to come back. Sellers trying to come back. Sellers are trying to make a comeback. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows. Who will win? Sellers are trying to make a comeback. Who will win? Who will win? Sellers are trying to make a comeback. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows. Sellers are trying to make a comeback. Sellers are making a comeback. Sellers are resisting buyers at the moment. Sellers making a move to the downside. Sellers with a move to the downside. Who will win? Oh wow. Buyers and sellers are at it. Buyers and sellers are at it. Who will win? Buyers are holding out. Buyers are supporting at this time. Buyers are supporting. Let's see if buyers can support that big run to the upside or will sellers take it down. Buyers are trying to step in again. Buyers are stepping in again. Who will win? Buyers are stepping in again. Buyers are stepping in. Who will win? Buyers and sellers are still at it this morning. Buyers and sellers are still at it. Which one of these trades will come out on top? We have 10 minutes to go in this session. Which one of these trades will come out on top before we close this session? Let's see who will win. Who will win? Right. Buyers and sellers are at it. Who will win? Nobody knows. Right. Buyers and sellers are at it. Buyers seem to be making a move now. Buyers are making a move now. Let's see if sellers can hold them out or if buyers will make their push. Who will win? Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Who will win? Buyers making a move to the upside. Sellers are holding them. Sellers are holding buyers. Big push by the buyers. Big push by the buyers. Sellers are holding strong. Sellers are holding strong. Who will win? Nobody knows until the fat lady sing. Sellers are holding them. Sellers are holding them. Who will win? Sellers are holding. Sellers are still holding buyers. Sellers are holding buyers hostage. Sellers are holding buyers hostage. Sellers would have moved to the downside. Sellers would have moved. Buyers coming back strong. Oh wow. Buyers and sellers, back and forth, neck to neck. Back and forth, neck to neck. Buyers and sellers, neck to neck, back and forth, neck to neck. Buyers would have moved to the upside this time. Who will win? Sellers are resisting. Oh wow. Big push by buyers. Big push. Big push. Can they keep it up? Can they keep it up or will sellers send them home packing? Buyers with a big run. Buyers with a run. Sellers are holding them. Sellers are holding them. Oh wow, sellers are holding them. Big move to the downside by sellers. Big rejection by sellers. Let's see if buyers can keep it up or if sellers can hold them. Oh wow. Buyers and sellers at it. Neck and neck. Shoulder to shoulder, neck and neck. Buyers and sellers shoulder to shoulder, neck and neck. Who will win? Oh wow. Buyers again. Buyers again. Buyers again with a move. Buyers again. Buyers again with a move to the upside. Sellers. Buyers stepping in once more. Strong buy pressure coming in. Oh wow. Buyers are ramping up the pressure. Sellers are resisting. Buyers making a move. Sellers resisting. Sellers are resisting buyers. Sellers are resisting. Oh wow. Buyers are making a push. Oh wow. Will buyers take it away? Will buyers take it away or will sellers send them home? Sellers are coming back. Sellers are coming back. Buyers again with the next push. Buyers with a big move. Buyers with a big move. Sellers are holding them. Sellers are holding them. Can sellers hold out the buyers or will buyers push? Sellers are holding them. Sellers would have moved to the downside. Oh wow, big push. Big drop by sellers. Buyers are supported now. Buyers. Sellers. Buyers. Buyers. Sellers. Sellers with a push. Sellers again with a big move. Buyers are holding. Oh wow, big push by buyers. Sellers coming in again. Sellers coming in again. Sellers with a big push to the downside. Sellers with a big drop. Buyers holding. Buyers are holding. Sellers again with a move. Oh wow. Sellers with a big drop. 6 minutes to go. Sellers with a big drop. 6 minutes to go. Sellers with a big drop. Sellers with a big drop. Sellers with a big move to the downside. Buyers can't seem to find an answer. Sellers putting on the pressure now. Table have turned. Sellers coming in. Big drop by sellers. Big move to the downside by sellers. Tables have turned. Buyers are on the back foot. Buyers trying to come back again. Buyers trying to come back again. Table have turned. Oh wow. Table have turned. Buyers with a push to the upside again. Sellers are resisting. Buyers with a run. Buyers with a run. Buyers with a big run. Buyers with a big run. What will sellers do? Buyers again. Buyers again with a big run. What will sellers do? Sellers seem to be fending them off. Sellers fending off the buyers. Sellers fending off that attempt by the buyers. Sellers fending off that attempt by the buyers. Oh, wow, big drop. Decision can will sellers continue to push down? Oh yes. Sellers continue to pushing down. Sellers continue to pushing down. Big move. Big move by sellers. Sellers continue to pushing down. What will buyers do? Buyers responding positively. Buyers responding. Sellers again. Sellers again. From sellers to buyers and buyers to sellers. Sellers with a big drop. Big run to the downside by sellers. Oh wow. Big drop by sellers. Buyers trying to respond. Buyers coming back. Buyers are coming back. Oh wow. Oh wow. Sellers again. Sellers with a big run. Sellers with a big run. Big run to the downside. Buyers trying to come back. Buyers trying to come back. Neck and neck, shoulder to shoulder. Shoulder to shoulder, neck and neck. Shoulder to shoulder, neck and neck. Buyers trying to come back. Big drop by sellers. Big move. Big move by the sellers. Buyers can't find an answer. Big move by sellers. Oh wow. Big move. Buyers can't find an answer. Oh wow. Buyers find a big one. Big push to the upside by buyers. What will sellers do? Back and forth, back and forth. Buyers and sellers back and forth. Oh wow. Sellers trying to find an answer. Will sellers find an answer? Will sellers find an answer? Will sellers find an answer? Big war. Big war raging. Sellers trying to find an answer. Buyers holding. How long can buyers hold this pressure? How long? Sellers trying to make a move now. Sellers with a big rejection. Sellers with a big rejection. Oh wow. Oh wow, big move. Big move by sellers. Buyers trying to come back. Oh wow. Back and forth, back and forth. Buyers to sellers, sellers to buyers. Sellers coming in now with that pressure. Big gun stepping in. Big gun stepping in. Big gun stepping in. Let's see. Buyers holding. Buyers are holding. Buyers are holding while the big guns come in. Sellers making a move to the downside. Buyers are holding. Buyers trying to come back. Will buyers hold or will sellers take it home? Buyers are coming back. Sellers with a move to the downside. Buyers are coming back. Oh wow. Oh wow, big drop. Big move. Sellers take it all the way. All the way. All the way to Jericho. Sellers with a big drop all the way to Jericho. He went for me. Oh wow, that's amazing. Magnificent. Sellers with a big one. Big one by the sellers. All the way. All the way to Jericho. So, big drop. Big win by the sellers. So we won 1 and lost 2. Right? So $1.98 and we lost 2. So seem as if some slippage in the mix as well. Seem as if some slippage in the mix as well. Right? Slippage in the mix as well. Cause let's see. Back to trading view. So the market went through this trade and this trade. This one win. Right? So as you can see, big sell. Big winning sell trade to close the day. Right? So this era, sellers was in charge. Nice era, beautiful trade. Sellers was in charge. Right? Market came back respecting this era. Big trade. Right? Big win. Look how far the market came. Big drop. Right? Big drop to close the day out. Right? Market came down 290 pip. We only took 100 and we only took I think about 190 pip. Market went down 290 pip. Right? So big win. So we win 1, lose 2. Right? So still pretty much at break even for today. Still have more trades pending. Right? Still have more orders pending. So let's see what happens. Right? Going to close the day out. Going to close this one. So this video bring value to you. Click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button so that this video can reach more people. Alright? Bless up.